Hello, welcome back. This is Scott from Wessex Blades in England. Got a parcel sent all the way from Fareham in England, which is near Portsmouth, for sharpening job. There should be 3 blades in here, but that was my address really quickly. We'll hide his. Should be a large golok, should be a Kabar, nice to get my hands on, and a little folding knife. I think it's going to be a Gerber. And obviously the corresponding edges to all the different blades be done as a video, so you could all learn a bit from the sort of tutorials I'm going to be giving. Okay, so let's get this open, see what we got. What can we use? I think a classic more Raymir's version with the laser emblem on it. So I'll start up here. Also, I want to use this packaging again. I don't want to overdo it too much, so I'll just do an end like that. You've probably packaged it really well. Really well. I'm going to have to open up a little bit more than that. Bushcrafters. Okay, I'm in. So, keep that for posting back. Well packaged, obviously, because there's blades in the post. Find the end. Just there. Could be quite a long video, this one. Super packaging. There a second. Right, let's put that high and dry because my leaky garage. Right, so that won't get wet. I'm over with that. Stay. See the K-bar coming through. You all are. And elastic band. Scott, be gentle with me. This is my first time, Mr. Golok. Cool, that is big, isn't it? And there's this little folder in there. I like the pouch. That's a useful pouch, isn't it? The ones I've seen are sort of a leatherette effect with the file in it. Okay, so he sent me some goodies, has he? Get that to the minute. I don't know. What we got here? Sheath popper. Right. Yeah. Crocodile number 2. Martindale's England. Usual British Army sharp edges there. Yep, we shall have some fun on that. What's the tip already somewhere? God, it's thick. Yeah. We Brits got to get our edges up a little bit better. So that's that lovely little thing. Should be able to get the Gerber out now. That's a really useful little pouch. That is neat. Now what sort of locking mechanism have we got there? It's a liner lock. Yep. And he wants this one apparently razor sharp. So let's do a job on that as well. He's got it oiled, very nice. So let's do that liner back in there. Slip it in that way, I think it'd be narrower. Yep. And now for this one. Keyboard. cut the sheath retention shaft, and there they go. A Kabar. Pommel on there. There's your leather washer stacked handle. Quite light. So we'll get to show you how I sharpen all three of these. Start with the martindale, then to the Kabar, and then that little mini Gerber. And then it's as fast as I can get to the post office and get it back to Funky Prepper with his time out. Got my hands on the Kabar. Look at that. Now, what's he said? Looks like coffee filters for filtering. That glow stick. Set the glow stick. Thank you very much. Put that for my nights out. Water purification tablets and those can openers. Thank you very much. Oh, look at that. Coffee filters. Coming very handy in my zombie booths, I think. Lovely. But they're really cool just to stick on your shelter at night. So when you disappear out to get, I don't know, the last bit of firewood or something, you'll find your shelter back again. Very nice. Thank you very much for that. So let's crack on and get this done as fast as I can. Sharpening commissions with Wessex Blades. Thanks for joining me again.